Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to trade options on Etrade Mobile. Open the Etrade mobile app and sign into your brokerage account. Next, locate the Trade tab and search for the stock symbol you want. Tap the option chain to view expirations and strikes and review contract details like last price and implied volatility. Make sure you understand margin and buying power limits before placing any orders in the app. Open the option chain for your chosen symbol and select an expiration date that fits your time frame. Then pick the strike price and decide between buying or selling calls or puts based on your market view. Enter the contract quantity and choose limit or market order. Use limit orders to control fills. Review the estimated premium, commissions, and potential assignment, then swipe or tap to submit your order in the app. Check your open options in the Portfolio tab and track real-time price action and Greeks that affect your trade. Set alerts for target prices and consider stop orders to limit downside. If conditions change, use rolling to extend duration or adjust strikes rather than letting positions expire. Always monitor liquidity and spreads before exiting and confirm all adjustments in the app to ensure orders execute as intended.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.